Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile on Pinterest. So after you go to Pinterest, you press that button on the bottom, and then you go to settings, and then you press edit profile. And then you can just straight away type in, so delete the previous name, and then for example, I'm naming myself Tutorial, and then under about you can type in so just tell anything about yourself or what you're trying to sell. So once you're done, just press done, and then so just fill everything in, and then you for pronouns you can type what you want to be called by other people. So for example, I can just type in she or her, so you can just type in anything and then press done. And then once you press done and everything is all set, press done. And I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.